It seems a long time since we saw a rainbow. These last few weeks have been some of the sunniest in spring that I can certainly remember. But actually, if you think about it, we've seen loads of rainbows. In fact, you've probably made loads of rainbows. But there are rainbows everywhere. And so the other day I was walking down Oakley Road North and walked past the wonderful All Saints School to see 2 rainbows and an amazing banner, the Keep Smiling banner, in the colours of the rainbow. You've probably made rainbows in windows, you've probably made rainbows on the floor. Rainbows are the sign of hope. When you next go into All Saints Church, you'll see on the major arch above the front of the church, there's a picture of Jesus, and you can just see behind him, painted in the late 1880s, the most beautiful of rainbows. And so it is that the rainbow is part of our logo as a church, because we believe in hope. And the rainbow, of course, also reminds us of all those who are our hope, the key workers, those working in our hospitals and care homes, delivering our food, keeping our toilets working, making sure the water comes out of our taps. Those many seen and not seen who work to keep us going, they are our hope. During the time when races didn't get on in South Africa, the amazing Desmond Tutu, the Archbishop, talked about a rainbow people of hope. Different races, different colours, different backgrounds, different classes, different talents and abilities all coming together to give us all hope. That's the sign of the rainbow, and it's there in the middle of the Bible. Let's hear that story once again.
God said to Noah and his sons, I am now making my covenant with you and all your descendants, and with all living beings, all birds and all animals. Everything that came out of the boat with you. With these words I make my covenant with you. I promise that never again will all living things be destroyed by a flood. Never again will a flood destroy the earth. As a sign of this everlasting covenant which I am making to you and with all living beings. I am putting my abode in the clouds. It will be a sign of my covenant with the world. Whenever I cover the sky with clouds and the rainbow appears, I will remember my promise to you and all the animals that a flood will never again destroy all living beings. When the rainbow appears in the clouds, I will see and remember the everlasting covenant between me and all living things on earth. This is the sign of the promise which I am making to all living beings.
So as we look in the windows and we see the rainbows, let us not worry so much about where we are now, but look forward to the hope that we've been promised. And let us end with a prayer that reminds us that the troubles we've currently got will pass, that God doesn't change, and that He always is our hope.
Let nothing disturb you, nothing frighten you. All things are passing. Good, unchanging patience gains all. Nothing is lacked to those who have God. God is sufficient. Amen.